Hello, I'm Sheila from Thompson Leisure and I'm going to show you our brand new ITINEO FC650. Come take a look. So we have this vehicle ready to leave right now, and with that we have added in 2 gas bottles so you can hit the road straight away, start your party, start your journey, go wherever you want. Come on, see the garage. ITINEO's provided a ton of storage in this vehicle. Look at the size of that. You can fit anything you want, bikes, whatever. But you won't have to worry about your bikes because we've added a bike rack. 4 bikes, perfect for a family. You'll see your reverse camera up the top there as well. You can add your storage in through another door here as well. There's a smaller compartment. You'll also see your removable carpets in there as well. Here's some more storage for external use as well. Right in there. Now, this vehicle also comes with a solar panel, 150 watt, and you'll also see your alloy wheels, 16-inch, factory fitted Fiat alloy wheels as well. Let's go take a look inside. So here we are inside the vehicle. This is a 4-berth, 4-belt, perfect for 2 people, even better that it fits 4. Here's your standard dash, your radio, USB points, your 12 volt. You have your multifunctional steering wheel, and then of course at the far side is your reverse camera. Now, this dash area also comes with perfect blackout blinds, and they go across the whole way around your doors and then down the front of the window as well. This vehicle is a 6.5 metre vehicle. It makes it easy to park anywhere really accessible. So this is your dinette area. Of course, you have your fold-out table, perfect area for socialising, and this also converts into a double bed. Now, let me show you your other double bed. So here is your main double bed. You'll see the skylight up above. There is so much light in this vehicle. Look at that, you'll never have to make your bed. Perfect. And then with one swoop, back up it goes. So to add that extra touch of home to your vehicle, we've also added in a 22-inch TV for you to hit the road, just to bring that homeliness back again into the motor. So here is your kitchen. This kitchen comes with 3 gas hob rings, and then of course you have your large sink, USB points and a socket, so if you want to charge your phone while you cook your dinner, not a problem. Again, ITINEO has come up with so many storage options for you there, and real deep drawers as well. Here you have your full oven and grill combined in here, and then your separate fridge and freezer. This is a real good deep fridge and freezer here as well for you, so you can fill it out, pack it up for about 2 weeks worth of food, no problem. Again, tons more storage up in here, and then of course your spice rack and the most important wine rack for all your bottles down there. So as I mentioned, tons of storage, but there's also tons of mirrors and lights in here. Here is our camerawoman Hannah and here is your storage in your enormous rear bathroom. Look at that. Now, you decide, his and hers, or just take the whole thing just for yourself. You can also access your garage, as I mentioned, outside, and that's just in here. So, don't want to go outside in the middle of the night, but you want to reach out and get something, there you go. So, in this motorhome, you have a separate shower and toilet. Again, plenty of storage up over the sink for all your essentials. So with all the cupboard space, the garage space, the generosity of space, they've also included it into the floor. Your husband's got stinky shoes? Whack him in there. So there we have it. The brand new ITINEO FC650. Now this vehicle is not available anywhere else in the UK or Ireland at the minute. This is the last one, and you can come in and drive away with it today. If you want to know more information, please give us a call on 028 9269 3999 or drop me a message at marketing@thompsonleisure.com. Alternatively, drop a comment if you want to know how the seats are arranged for the passengers, or you can direct message us on Facebook as well. Thank you.